Hello everyone! A very short tutorial about a very easy to use and very useful feature. I am talking about page transitions. It's very easy to implement it and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we are inside our editing area. And we go here on the top left icon, we click here and choose Site Settings. We scroll down and click on Page Transitions. Here we can choose an entrance animation. So I click here and I choose my favorite one, Fade in. Now I don't like this color, so I'm going to choose a different one. This one, which is a slight gray color. I can also choose an exit animation and I will choose the one I prefer, which is fade out. This is where we can change the animation duration, and from here we can preview the page transition. Now, that's not all. We can also add a preloader. We have three types: animation, icon, and image. I will choose an icon. I will leave the default one. I also want an animation. Spinning. Now we can see the icon because it's a white color, so I will choose to change the color to a darker one. We can hit preview page transition and we can see the page transition with the icon. If we like what we see, we can click here, update. We can go back, close site settings, and we can view our page. Now, how does this work? Let's say I want to visit another page, a post from here. When we click here, we see the page transition. I think it's a very easy to implement and very elegant and useful Elementor feature. So don't be afraid to experiment with that and write in the comment section what do you think. Bye for now.